This is a baby Land Cruiser called the Land Cruiser FJ.
I hope it goes over better than the baby Wrangler, which is the
Compass?
the Renegade.
Oh, Renegade.
The Renegade, which is just a Fiat 500L.
FJ in this iteration stands for Freedom Joy. It didn't stand for that before, but now they're saying, oh, it's Land Cruiser Freedom Joy.
Because joy has to be in every one of their freaking names.
Exactly. We talked about that last time.
Yeah, I don't understand.
So it was revealed as a concept in October of this year. But this is basically a production-ready vehicle. I think it's going to start in Japan next year. And then, as far as I know, it's not coming to North America. It'll come to South America and the Middle East and maybe Australia. But it's not coming to North America.
You know those autonomous pods that every CES show has? We're like, oh, this car will drive you to work. And you just, the greenhouse gives me that vibe.
It's a small vehicle. It shares the same platform as the Toyota Hilux.
Okay.
And so it comes in two versions, two trims, one with these round headlights and the snorkel, and another trim that has more of the square headlights. They did the same treatment with the American Land Cruiser. You can get it with the round headlights, or you can get it with the more rectangular headlights. I kind of like the more rounded classic ones personally.
Yeah, me too.
It's similar to kind of the Bronco Sport. It's meant to be like the smaller entry-level Land Cruiser that's still fairly capable. This is actually far more capable than a Bronco Sport. It's got a solid rear axle. It's got a real solid rear axle. It's got a real 6-speed transmission. It's got locking differentials. It's actually got some decent ground clearance and can probably do some decent off-roading. More so than I think the Bronco Sport could do. It's 180 inches long, which actually makes it shorter lengthwise than a Toyota Prius.
And that's not a big car.
Yeah, it's got 8.5 inches of ground clearance, a 31-degree approach angle, 102-inch wheelbase, and a little 18-foot turning circle. So, Yep, no engine or performance specs revealed yet.
If it's not coming to the U.S., they're not going to be impressive numbers.
Yeah.
The U.S. always requires people to bump up their horsepower numbers to not be laughed at.
Yeah.
Pretty much anything under 200 horsepower gets laughed at.
Except a Miata.
Except a Miata, because that's cool.